you ready for the speaking test?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you introduce first yourself to me?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, teacher. My name is Dan. I'm 3 years old. I'm happy today. Very sunny.
Okay. Where do you live, Dad?
I live in Hanoi, Vietnam.
Very good. What animal do you like?
I'm a bunny.
Wow. What time do you wake up in the morning? I wake up.
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Okay. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 in the evening.
Very good. We'll go now with your English test, okay? Our topic is about insects, okay? Can you read that?
Insects from around us. Insects
Creation.
for little. They are brown and little.
There are.
They are kind of cricket. A cricket in the sun at night. They are colorful butterflies. The butterflies fly in the sun. They are busy bees. The bees, they tiny outside. They are honey ants. They are colorful all day. They are so fast. But I find fast to be true. They are
Red.
when they know with ladybug. A ladybug then bug.
Wow, good job, V. Now we will go with the next part. It's about grammar, okay? Teacher Ivy will ask, and the answer is there is or there are, okay? How many mosquitoes are there?
There are 2 mosquitoes.
How many bees are there?
There is 1 bee.
How many mosquitoes are there?
There is 1 mosquito.
How many bees are there?
There are 5 bees.
Good job, Dad. Next part, okay? Counting the shapes and identify the numbers, okay? What shape is this? What shape is this? What shape is this, Dad? Is this heart or pentagon?
Heart.
Okay. Can you count how many hearts?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Can you make a line to number 13? Good job. How about this one? What shape is this? Is this heart or pentagon?
Heart.
This one?
Pentagon.
Okay, pentagon. Can you count how many pentagon?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where's number 5? Make a line. Good job. How about this one? What shape is this?
Square.
How many square?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Count. Okay, good job. Last one. What shape is this?
Triangle.
How many triangles?
1, 2, 3.
Where's number 3? Good job, Dad. We'll go with the next part. Identifying big and small, okay? You're going to put tick if it's big, okay? And small is cross, okay? Can you identify is this big or small?
Bear.
Oh, what are you going to put? Tick or cross? Very good. How about this one? Big or small?
Bear.
What are you going to put? Very good. How about this one? Big or small?
Bear.
What are you going to put? Big. Very good. How about this one? Big or small?
Small.
Good job. This one. Big or small?
Big.
What are you going to put? Tick or cross? Tick. How about this one?
Tall.
Okay, good job. Next, the same with big and small, but this one is long and short. Okay, is this long or short?
Short.
This one, long or short?
Long.
Tick or cross? Tick for long, cross for short. Okay,
Thin.
tick for long. Tick again like this. Next, is this long or short?
Long.
What are you going to put? Short. This one, long or short? This one, is this long or short? Done. Okay. How about this one? Okay. Next, is this long again or short? Done.
Long.
Okay, how about this one?
Short.
Okay, good job. How about this one? Is this long or short?
Long.
Are you going to see? Very good. How about this one?
Short.
Okay. What are you going to put? Very good. You can tick and cross. Now next, then we're going to go with the 5 senses. Okay? Can you tell me about your 5 senses? Eyes.
I can see.
Eyes.
I can see.
What's this one?
Ear to.
Ears to what?
Ear to hear. Tap to. Tap to taste. Nose to smell. Hand to touch.
Good job. Can you say, I see with my eyes?
I see with my eyes.
I hear.
I hear with my ear.
I taste.
I taste with my tongue. I smell with my nose. I touch with my hand.
Very good, Danny. We'll go now with the next part. It's phonics. Okay? What letter is this?
Letter V. Vampire. Red.
Please.
Red.
Yes.
Red.
What's this? Ball.
Volcano. Violet.
Van.
Van. Red.
Venus.
Venus.
Okay. Next, what letter is this?
Letter W.
What is this? Watch.
Watch.
What?
Water.
Wait.
Red.
Red.
Red. Ball. Winter. Window. Wheel.
Very good. Next. Last part is the science, okay? About plants. What is this? Is this a plant?
Pan.
Plant. What does plant need to grow? Okay, can you make a line? What is that?
Sun.
Okay, make a line. Next. What is that? Air.
Air.
What else? What is that? What is that, Danny? What?
Water.
Make a line. Next. What else? What is that? Soil.
Soil.
Okay. What does plant need to grow? What is this?
Sun. Water. Air. Soil.
How about the donut? Does plant need a donut? Does plant need to grow donut? Who needs the donut? Who eats the donut?